Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome and fabulous project in 2025. So first of all, you can see I'm here on the website homepage. The project name is AppSend. So it's a very unique project. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting that, we say one disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I'm not yet financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for any profit and losses. So first of all, you can see AppSend portal national registration reward. You can see AppSend gem reward system. You can see login in daily to receive 100 gems, and you can see the registration reward. New user who successfully register will instantly receive 2000 gems. Gem exchange, you can see there can be exchanged for TAEX tokens. And the ratio future converted to USD ERC20. The exchange will be based on real-time rate with a minimum exchange amount 20,000 gems, ensuring that your earnings are fair and reliable. And here you can see their genius reward if you by inviting your friends. First of all, you will be getting level 1. Successfully invite one friend and register and earn 50% of gem reward, 1000 gem. Level 2, 1 reward and you will get 600 gems. Level 3, you will get 300 gems. Act now, don't miss the opportunity. Register or AppSend, invite more friends and you will earn gems. Start your journey toward wealth growth. You can see learn more details, and you can see their exclusive limited t-shirt giveaway. You can also participate in the giveaway. So first of all, you can see their giveaway is also provided here. So here you can see their videos also is provided. Gems to coins exchange URL. You can see their TEDx 2-day price and market trends, and you can see their Telegram and WhatsApp is also provided. And you can see zero cost easy monthly income, $1,000 register in 1 minute, receive coins immediately. 3 simple step to easily earn and receive 2000 TX, and you will get information about the TX. And guys, here you can see first of all, you need to just register your account. You need to select your country code here. After selecting the country code, simply you need to enter your phone number, then enter your verification. Simply click on send verification code. You need to just enter the verification code, will be sent on your phone number, and then after entering the invitation code, make sure to enter with my invitation code. I already put in my video description. And then you need to enter the password, then simply re-enter password, then click on register option, and also you need to fill the captcha here. So after registration, you need to click on login option, and then enter same detail here, then enter password, then click on login option, and your account will be successfully open. So here you can see successfully I register login. Here you can see their interface. You can see my gems. I already received 2000 gems for registration bonus, and I also get 100 gems free. And simply first of all, after entering, you need to click on sign in, and sign in successfully. You can see I got it to 100 more gems. Sign in to earn gems and redeem exclusive reward and special offers. You can see their UID, your number, UID check a label, username, followed fans, airdrop assets, and inviter. You can see their price prediction. Their chart is also provided. You can see the chart is also provided here. You can see their sign in rewards. Here you can see this is transaction record. You can see the transaction record is also provided here. You can see my 3 transaction is first of all, new user registration 2000 gems I received. Then daily check-in, yesterday I got 100 gems, and today I also get 100 gems free. So it's just daily base. You need to just come and click on sign in, and you will be getting your reward easily. And the second thing is, this is the biggest thing: invite your friends, recommend friends, or gem reward. Simply this is your invitation link, and this is your invitation code. Share this link with your friends, family, and relatives, and you will earn a lot of profit. First of all, you can see friendly reminder. Step 1, share your invitation link with friends. Invite friends to register, earn each person receive a amount to get gem reward. You can see my reward direct invites team members, and you can see the invitation commission, and you can also check out your statistics here. So simply click on QR code verification, and you can also scan the QR code, and simply you need to just copy this link and share with your friends. So you can see this is your personal center. You can see the price prediction, and guys, you can also see the invitation reward, change password, and if you want to change password, you can also change it. And guys, this is your profile. You can also check out your personal center. Simply you need to click on airdrop address. ERC, please fill in the ERC20 address. Simply you need to click on introduction, enter your address here, then click on confirm option, and address will be successfully added on the website. And guys, you can also see their news. You can see 7x 24 news, NFT news, BTC, Ethereum, DeFi news, blockchain and ranking, quarters, videos, community, calendar, study, celebrity, and you can see their today news and everything right here. You can check out each and everything here. So you can see their TEX and price prediction is also provided. You can see their quarters, and you can see their quarters also provided here. This is official TEX, TEDx, and you can see their all-time high, all-time low is also provided. You can see their community. You can also check out their community is also provided here. You can see this is official community, this is official videos. You can check out videos, calendars, the study, celebrity, each and everything provided here. And you can see this is official celebrities also provided. And guys, here you can see this is our latest announcement. You can see thank you for support, we officially offer great benefits, 200 TX gift to everyone. As I already show, earn 400 TX every time you refer a new user. Diamonds are converted to TX and with USDT ERC20 at ratio 1. Trusted conversation, real time exchange ratio. You can see join now. If you have any question, please contact the official support team. And this is the official support team. You can see their WhatsApp is also provided, Telegram is also provided, and you can see daily USDT exchange will start at you can see the time into USDT. You can see TX project in introduction. You can see their latest announcement and each and everything right here. You will get level 1 50% gems, level 2 30%, level 3 15%, and you can see official website also provided, a Telegram channel, a WhatsApp channel, and click here to reading article. You can also read each and everything right here. And guys, it's amazing and 1000x potential project in 2025, which is also provided the news quarters ranking increaser list. You can see their increase list and each and everything right here. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.